And then this is the common carotid. It goes up and then it splits into the external carotid and the internal carotid, which goes up to the brain. And then the brachiocephalic is
right before it comes out from the aortic arc, but before it splits. But it splits into the common carotid and the subclavian,
which goes through near the scapula, and then it comes down.
clavicle.
Yeah, clavicle. Clavicle, yes. And then it comes down, and then it comes to the axillary, which is right by the armpit. Then the brachial, which is right here.
So here, the small one.
This one. And then it splits in two. There's the radial, which goes along the radius, and the ulnar, which goes along the ulna, and it goes into the palmar arch, which is on the palms. And then again, this is the aortic arch. It comes down into the thoracic aorta, which is right. It would be here, right?
Yeah.
It's under the heart. Before the diaphragm. Then it comes down to the abdominal aorta, and then there's the superior mesenteric, which is this one, this little circle thing, and then inferior mesenteric is right here, and then the celiac trunk is right there, and the renal goes to the kidneys, and then it's right here, and it comes down, and this is the common iliac, and then it splits into.
No, common iliac's the two.
Common iliac are these two.
Right after the pelvis.
Yes. And then it comes down, and there's the external iliac and the internal iliac. Internal iliac comes down and becomes the femoral, right?
Yeah.
Femoral. And then the popliteal, which is right here. And we haven't gone over that, right?
Yeah, well, the anterior is the front of the tibial, and then there's posterior tibial, and then there's a fibular, and then it all connects to the articulate arc.
Yes, and then the gonadal is.
You can't see it on here.
It's not on here.
But it connects from the abdominal aorta to the gonads.